Are you an artist or someone who takes a lot of notes? You get a screen protector, kind of like the tempered glass ones that are like hard and you kind of feel like every bang of the Apple Pencil. And me too, me too. So I decided that I wanted to find something that was more, I guess, like paper-like. It was easier for me just to slide the pencil across and not feel like I'm banging on glass. So, which brings me to today's video. I am going to give you my full review of the Zoegaa Paper-Like Screen Protector. Let's get into the video. What's up guys, this is Jason with Red Bee Labs. And today we're going to go over a new screen protector that feels almost like you're writing on paper.
Just get along with each other and put away our problems, or whatever it is. We just need to forget about everything and just have a good time here tonight. It's really that simple. It's really that simple. Just have a good time here tonight. It's really that simple. Just have a good time here tonight. It's really that simple. Just have a good time here tonight. It's really that simple. Really that simple. Simple. Just have a good time here tonight. It's really that simple. Just have a good time. Just have a good time. It's really that simple. It's really that simple. Just have a good time here tonight. Simple. Just have a good time here tonight. It's really that simple. Just have a good time. Just have a good time. It's really that simple. It's really that simple. Just have a good time here tonight. Simple.
Okay guys, I'm gonna say my first impressions is it's nice. I mean, you can still see the vibrant colors of the iPad without the brightness turned up too high. I'm really liking the drawing. The note taking, sorry. And it just glides across, like you can't hear any. I mean, wow, that is amazing. For someone who's been using tempered glass screens all the time for protection, this is protection and wow, it just, huh. There's also another thing I want to show you. A lot of people are saying with certain screen protectors, you get a lot of noise or like a rainbow effect. But when I go into something like this, you can't see any like rainbowing on the corners or anything like that. And it's still bright and vibrant. So there's almost no noise loss going on here. And here I can show you that there's no lag. Like, see that? There's no lag. No latency whatsoever. Another thing too is it adds nothing to the screen. I mean, look how thin that is. I mean, I think the screen is 0.26 millimeters. So, I mean, it is actually super thin. Super thin. Another cool feature is it's waterproof. So water will just bead off of it and pour right off. So that's wonderful. You don't want to be caught out in the rain and then have it damage the screen protector or anything like that. And there's no glare. It's like anti-glare and no fingerprints get stuck on it. So that is a definite plus. I hate fingerprints. Here you can see the videos are clear, crisp. I can see. I mean, there's nothing blocking it out or making the text hazy. And this is for when you're on the web, watching videos, writing notes, drawing. Okay, guys, in my opinion, I'm going to stick with the screen protector. I like it. It's smooth. It's easy for me to do my note taking. I mean, it's a whole different world. I mean, I've only used the glass screen protectors, and just the drawing and the smoothness and the paper-like feel is just amazing. And, you know, I'm super careful with my iPad, so it's not like I'm going to be needing like super extra, you know, protection all over the front. I mean, this screen protector will protect you, but, you know, a tempered glass is, you know, that's the upper echelon of the screen protection. But this one's doing really good. I haven't had a problem with it.
Question of the day. Do you use a screen protector? And if you do, which one would you recommend? Leave me your answers in the comments below. Before you go, if you found value in this video, could you smash that like button, leave me a comment or two, and share this video? Also, could you click the subscribe button and the notification bell? That way you won't miss out on any new content I provide. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.